Are you okay?
Yes. No.
That was awesome. Oh my God. You good?
That was a little bumpy.
How y'all doing? It's pretty fun back that way. That is some soupy shit. Yeah, listen to that noise. Oh, they might need help. Sergio! Yeah, I think they need help. Hey, Serge!
Look at that head armadillo that somebody put a freaking here.
Oh my God, that's disrespectful.
I would approach a dead body.
No kidding.
It's a stump.
Yeah, thank you. A little bit of a drop right here, babe. Hold on. Let me see.
They got that big one over there.
They're all stuck.
All of them?
Yeah, all of them stuck.
Okay, well, let's see.
I'm gonna see if there's anything we can do real quick.
Oh, it is over there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is like bleeding on an entire clump of mud down my ear canal just now. That was rude.
What's going on, bud? Is there any way we can help get them out? Yeah, that one's shit.
Can we help?
You want us to try to get you out backwards or something? Okay, yeah, let me try to see if I'll see if I can pull you. If not, we'll one you out or something. Oh, that's a little deep.
Smelly.
Yeah, it is.
Like, damn, dude. Did you see the armadillo with the beer can that somebody put in? There's a dead
Look at the armadillo.
Somebody put a beer can in its paws.
Y'all need a little more? Alright.
Okay, that's good.
Alright.
It's in reverse.
Sure you don't want to hook it to that tackle? You don't want to hook it to the tackle?
It is a Honda. You got all that power.
A little bit more, babe.
Oh, a little more? Okay. Was it?
Run them over.
Nate? Oh, shoot.
Alright.
Alright.
It's in reverse, right?
Yeah.
It's in reverse, right?
Yeah, it's always so funny how many people go.
Alright, you ready, babe?
Let me get a little bit of Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go. Almost got it.
Oh, we're so close. Okay, one more time. All right.
3, go. Might as well. Can you back up just a hair, bud? Oh, never mind. Actually, I can pull my bike. You're good. You're good. You're good. We're good. Yeah, no problem. Do we need to get him out now? We might be able to get him. Might right there, maybe. Oh. No, that doesn't sound good at all.
No, that hole is good down there where the bottom of that way. It's not right there.
Damn.
I still one on the bottom.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I can still just sink it down.
That's great. All this shit's just bottomless too, it feels like.
And his studs fell off the floor.
Oh, really? God dang. Yeah, we had a buddy somewhere. Been trying to find him. He has a Ranger lifted up like this, and he rolled over into the water, and then when they were winching him out, his wheel fell off and portal fell off in the water. All kinds of crazy shit. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they're freaking crazy. Yeah. Yeah. What's that?
We ain't been over here.
Yeah, I've never even seen this part before.
Bad idea to come over here. This tie rod, that tie rod in on that one.
Oh shit.
He got over there hard, and then the studs fell off that one.
What are y'all thinking about this one?
It's the only one that hasn't broken yet.
I don't really know. They just sent her brother
I don't know
down
what it could be.
I mean, get the studs. I was about to say, I mean, worst case, y'all could, I don't know if y'all have ratchet straps, maybe y'all could ratchet strap a log underneath there.
We left
And
today at like
it's not really not a good way to go though. It's not a bad thing. I mean, we might be able to get him to where, kind of like the way you came. Oh, little crawfish. What's going on, buddy?
That's dinner right there.
Yep. I saw some sparks. I think so. I think he's just trying to cut it. Man, buddy, you're in a pickle right now.
Yes, sir.
Man, these mud parks can be bad luck sometimes, man.
Oh, yeah.
Shit.
I can't help first of all I hit.
No kidding.
No kidding. What? Over here? Every hole now.
Damn.
And my brake caliper fell off.
Oh, shit. It makes me wonder why we do this shit sometimes.
Exactly. The tie rod's broken up.
Oh, shit. Damn, I'm surprised that thing's still turning. God, that sounds so expensive. I saw sparks earlier. I don't know what it was from. There's some sparks going down. Whoa, whoa.
I think it looks like an RC.
Yeah, it is. That's pretty. I guess see what he's doing now. He's smart. Whoa. What's that, buddy? Oh, maybe. Hey, bud, you want it? Oh, shit. Well, fuck. All right. You want to get the winch on that tree right there? Get over one more. I think he's gonna pull forward first.
That one? You don't want to go that one?
No. If we do one, I think we want to go to that one right there. But
First pull the front.
believe that's actually working. That was impressive. I can't believe that shit worked. That was super impressive. Y'all be safe out there.
Yes, sir. Thank y'all.
Yep.
Come on, Gazelle.
You saw that? That was smooth. All right, you're good. I don't know if I can get this big ass thing out the way. Oh my god, this thing is fucking stuck in the mud. That thing didn't even budge. Ooh, nice. That was almost like that video that the dude wheeling through. Oh shit. Yeah, that shit was freaking stuck in there. Yeah, it's freaking suctioned in there. Oh, we're going up already. I wasn't ready for that. Where do y'all want this at?
I don't know.
You know,
It's
that's close
suctioned back
enough.
down.
That's close enough.
I guess move it
I
over
just
there.
didn't want to get it that way.
Ready? 1, 2. Watch me. All right, there we go.
That's good enough. It's not everybody's way.
Yeah, there you go.
That was big as hell.
Oh shit. Woo. That's badass.
Like little man.
Hell yeah. This one's badass too. Woo.
That's a good setup.
That's a fucking nice setup. Oh yeah, what's going on, y'all? Shit. Easy. That's badass. Dude, they're fucking getting it. I love that. That Can-Am, that's fucking badass.
Little stretch limo over there?
Yeah. That's freaking sweet.
Yeah. Hey, bro. Where y'all from?
We're from, well, I'm from Oklahoma. They're from Texas.
Y'all drove a long way.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Got a long way to tear some stuff up.
Yeah, exactly.